She plays the victim to perfection.
He is removed from the palace and from power. His career has come to an ignominious end. Attacking his beloved pet is a crime the king cannot forgive.
Guards.
Her reward for all her trauma.
The status quo has been restored, but with a key difference.
Her enemy is vanquished.
His affection for her is now stronger than ever.
There, my precious. The madman is gone. The mastermind has won. She is about to let us in on her secret. Every muscle is relaxed now that her plan is complete. He ponders the vizier's sudden and complete breakdown. Poor Percival.
They're not
Her position is secure. She is the undisputed favorite. The true ruler gives her approval. The kingdom is already better off.
Report!
A new era of peace begins in the kingdom.